This is a presentation made by the Disability Service of Trinity College Dublin on using the college libraries. There are 4 main libraries on campus in Trinity College. The Berkeley, Leckie and Usher libraries are connected to the Arts Building. These are joined together and this is called the BLU complex. The Berkeley Library houses law, history and psychology books. The Leckie houses social sciences and the Usher houses languages and literature, nursing, philosophy and religion, and also journals for all subjects are in the Usher basement. The Hamilton Library is in the Hamilton Building at the east end of campus. This library houses books for science subjects. There is another library off campus at St James's Hospital that houses books for health science subjects. Books are shelved in the library using what is known as the Dewey System. There are 10 main classes of the Dewey System. These numbers help you to find where in the library you will find the books that you are looking for. Therefore, if you are studying social sciences, the books you consult will all be catalogued and shelved using numbers between 300 and 400. You will find a list in the library indicating what part of the library houses each subject. During your first week at college, you will be given a reading list for the subjects you are studying. You can use the online catalogue on the library's website to find these books in the library. Let's use an example from this reading list. Assume you were looking for the first book on the list, Measuring and Interpreting Business Cycles, edited by Willy Bergstrom and Anders Fredden on the online catalogue. When searching using the library catalogue, you can type in any combination of keyword, title, author or subject into the search box on the library's homepage. This will give you a shelf mark for each book you choose, which will indicate where it is in the library. Let's start using our example. I will type in Business Cycles for our subject and Fredden for our author. The location indicates that 2 copies of the book are available on shelf in the Leckie Library. If we are looking for our example, this book will be located by going through the following steps. Write down the call number in full. As this comes under the 300s, you will find that the 300s are social science books in the Leckie Library. Then locate the 330s. You will find that these are economics books on the lower level of the Leckie Library. Look next for the 338.54 numbered books. There are guides on the ends of the shelf units in the library, which can help you move through the collection. As you can see here on the end of this shelf, 338.54 is a selection of books specifically related to business cycles. Locate this section on shelf. Once you have found this section, start to look at the letters that follow 338.54. There will be an alphabetical order from left to right. Move along the shelves until you find N. Then look at the numbers that follow N. Again, look at the first number after N, which in this case is 4. When you find these, keep moving from left to right until you find 42. As you can see, after N4 comes N4 1.1, then N4 2, which is the shelf mark you are looking for. As you can see, there are 2 copies of this book. One is an arts copy, which can be borrowed by postgraduates and staff, but only consulted within the library by undergraduates. One is a Len book, which all students can borrow. The yellow spot indicates that it can only be borrowed for a week. Len books without the yellow spot can be borrowed for a month. If you need any further assistance, feel free to make an academic support appointment with the Disability Service. You can also search the catalogue by conducting a Stella search. Click on Stella Search, and here you can type in search terms like you do when using a search engine. Here I will type in business cycles as my topic and click here. This will give me a list of results. As you can see, some are available on shelf in the Leckie and in the Berkeley basement. Some are available at Santry Stacks and Usher Stacks. If I wish to order one of these, I click on Request Stack Item and fill in my username and password. And I will be prompted to submit the request. and I'm asked where I would like to pick up this title from, I can pick which library I wish to select this title from and click Submit. And I will receive an email when this item is ready for collection.